Ladies and gentlemen, the video is about the dangerous website called Load23.biz. Load23.biz. This is the malicious resource that is used by several advertising agencies to promote a lot of third-party content. Sometimes the content promoted by means of these alerts can be pretty decent, but very often the ads displayed by Load23.biz are absolutely malicious and they may even lead to some infections. As a result of such ads, the computer may be contaminated with some adware, browser hijackers, and so on. By the way, the pop-up tries to force you into subscribing to its web push notifications. It tells you to click on this allow button to continue your browsing, or sometimes to prove that you are a human or to verify your age. But all the statements delivered by these alerts are totally deceptive. If you mistakenly click on the allow button, you'll be brought to some of these junk resources in the internet, and as I said, you may start seeing a lot of other strange ads that will pop up and essentially disturb you. If the allow button was clicked by mistake, you need to go to the menu, then click on settings, scroll down to site settings and notifications. Pay attention to the allow area, and in the bottom of the list you will find this malicious site load23.biz. So you need to click on this special button and remove this site from the list. After you do that, these ads will no longer disturb you. Of course, your Mac may be infected by some other adware that may be in charge of browser redirections, so consider checking your available applications. If you find something suspicious here, hurry up and remove it from the list. Also, if you cannot visually establish the source of the problem, consider scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner. That's the antivirus for Mac, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. As soon as the software is successfully downloaded and installed, you need to click on Start Combo Scan button, and the application will perform the free analysis of your Mac. The removal of malware is not free, however, some of the functions in this program in the trial mode are absolutely free. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on review results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.